Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in today's video we're going to install some man-made stone. We're going to lay some man-made stone, and we have some sill here as well to install, and I'm going to share with you some beginner's tip how to lay stone from start. If it's your first time lay stone, you're at the right place. For sure you will get some tip here and there on how to lay stone. Let's dive right into the video, guys. Here we're only gonna go up to around 3/4. Around here, go right around. So it's gonna be stuck on the side as you see. And then see the angle line install. We're gonna work our stone, go all the way up to here. And then we're gonna wrap it, come around this corner here. So we have that side and we have here as well. We have this pillar here to go up. We're gonna go right out along there. Stone go all the way in there as well. Over here we're gonna go 3/4 way with our stone. And then we're gonna turn the corner, come around here as well. So guys, here is where we want to work our stone to be, right here. What you want to do, you want to measure the biggest size stone that you have. In my case, my biggest size stone is 11 1/4. You want to measure from the top down, 11 1/4. Put your joint, which is 10mm joint, and keep on repeat the same process until you reach right down to the last. Down here is where we have. So here is telling me that it's 4 3/4. Our stone is 4 inches, so we know we gotta bed up this. We gotta put a little bit more extra mortar on the angle line, and maybe work with just a little bit more bigger joint than normal. It won't look anyway. Or you could make a cut go to the entire thing, which you don't want to have because it's a lot of cut go all the way down there. So what we gotta do, we gotta just put a little bit of mortar right on top of our angle line here and work our way go around. You see what I mean as we go. Guys, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more great contents like this one. We upload video twice a week with all different types of construction, bricklaying, concrete, block, stone, you name it, carpentry. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. here, guys, as you see, this is my mark right here. So I'm right on my mark, the same level as the previous one that we already did over there. So now we're gonna work our way, go that way right now. Above it gonna be stuff up. Here we're gonna put a sill later on. You see when we get here. So guys, basically what I'm doing right now, I'm using my finger. I use this finger. This is basically once you push your finger, it's supposed to be. Use it as a gauge to go all the way up. So every now and again you just push your finger to check, to see if your finger fit behind the stone. How it works.
Okay.
Because I know he likes to work fast. So guys, here is what I basically do. The back of where we put in our stone. Here is 17 inches. So you want to mark 17 inches. From this point over for the 45, you want to go for 5.5 or 6 inches. Either one works, which I go 5.5. And I just square it off here. Mark another 5.5 over here. And then we're gonna cut it right now.
Hey guys, thank you for watching my video until the end. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe for more great contents like this one. We upload video twice a week. Until then, see you next one.
So guys, my battery died, and I didn't do my second battery, so I didn't get to show you guys when I was doing it. But here I'm doing the joint now. We have lots more stonework coming up anyway.